Good night, my name is Lisa Riescos, and today I will explain the characteristics of the 4 approach and methodologies used in the ESP in course. Okay. We have to remember that the term ESP referred to English for a specific purpose, which refers to the teaching and learning of English focused on specific objectives, such as English for business, engineering, medicine, among others. Okay, there are several approaches and methodologies used in ESP course, and 4 of them are described below. We have 4, that is content-based instruction, problem-based learning, case study approach, and academic literacy approach. Okay, let's start with the content-based instruction. About this, the characteristics, we have the academic content is the focal point language. Teaching also integrate with the disciplinary context, since the topics and texts used are specific to the discipline or professional phase. About the methodology, we have the students acquire language skill while studying topics relevant to the area of specialization. Authentic materials from the disciplinary files are used, and language practicing encouraged through exposure to a specific academic context. Then next, we have the problem-based learning. About the characteristics, we have it focuses on solving practical and relevant problems. The students work in the groups to address real-world situation, and critical thinking and application of knowledge are encouraged. About the methodology in this part, we have the students identify and solve problems using the English language. Teaching is organized around authentic problems, scenarios, and emphasis in places or collaboration and effective communication to solve problems. Then next, we have the case study approach. About the characteristics, we have the delayed analysis of the specific cases or situations. In English, is used and the aim is to understand complex situation and make informed decision, and the case are relevant to the discipline or professional area. About the methodology, we have the students study real cases or specific scenarios. Discussions and critical analysis are noted, and students can develop the language skills by communicating and defending their analysis. And finally, we have the academic literacy approach. About this, the characteristics, it focuses on the development of reading, writing, and communication skills in academic context. It seeks to prepare students to participate effectively in the academic community, and teach the specific conventions and discourse patterns of the disciplines. About the methodology, the critical reading and analytic writing strategies are taught. We work with academic discourses, patterns such as essays, reports and reviews, and integrate oral and writing communication skills in the contextually manner. Okay, in conclusion, remember that each approach has its own strengths, and it chooses according to the course objectives, disciplinary content, and the specific needs of the students. In many cases, the approach can be combined to provide a more complete and effective learning experience where we learning English. Okay, this is the reference. We have three links. Thank you so much. This is my performance. Had a good night.